Have you ever experienced something strange like this? At first, you put in effort. You care. You try to build a connection. But instead of getting closer, her responses grow colder. The more you chase, the more she pulls away, and something weird happens. The moment you stop chasing, you slowly step back. You focus on your own life. Suddenly, she reaches out first. She asks how you've been. She reacts to your stories. She starts conversations with random topics like, "Hey, where were you hanging out yesterday?" And you're left thinking, wait, why is she chasing me now? If you've ever felt this, you're not alone. And more importantly, this is not a coincidence. Today, we're going to break down why this happens. Not through cheap tricks or manipulation, but through psychology, emotions, and natural male-female dynamics. A real story. Let me tell you about my friend, Alex. He's not exceptionally handsome, not rich, not flashy, but he's calm, grounded, and doesn't overdo things. One day, he met a woman who instantly caught his attention. She was attractive, smart, and had this aura that made people curious at first. Everything flowed. Good conversations vast. Replies, strong connection. Then things slowly changed. Her replies became shorter, slower, sometimes just emojis. Sometimes just, yeah. Alex started overthinking. Did I say something wrong? Did she lose interest? Instead of chasing harder and losing his self-respect, he made a decision. He didn't unfollow her. He didn't block her. He didn't create drama. He simply stopped chasing. He focused on his work, his hobbies, his friends. He stayed himself. 1 week later, she texted him first. She asked how he was doing. Said, "You've been busy lately, huh?" From that moment, the energy shifted. She became more engaged, more curious. She even suggested meeting up. Alex didn't understand it at first, but he realized something had changed. Not because he played games, but because he stopped seeking validation. Why this happens? What happened to Alex isn't random. There's a clear psychological explanation. Here's what usually happens inside a woman's mind when you stop chasing. 1. Curiosity kicks in. When you stop chasing, she doesn't immediately think, "Oh, he lost interest." Instead, she thinks, "Why did he change?" Most men increase effort when a woman pulls away. You. DIDN single quotes to women are extremely sensitive to energy shifts. Curiosity appears first, and curiosity is powerful too. She feels you have the power to walk away. Women respect men who can leave calmly, not because they're cold, but because they have boundaries. By stepping back without drama, you show that you won't force yourself to stay where effort isn't reciprocated. That signals integrity, and integrity is attractive. 3. You become hard to forget, predictable. Men are easy to forget, but a man who disappears quietly, without anger, without begging, without emotional outbursts, stays in her mind. Where did he go? Why isn't he texting? Did I mess something up? You're doing nothing yet. You're everywhere in her thoughts. 4. She assumes there's another. Woman, this happens a lot when you stop chasing. She often assumes you've moved on. You don't need to confirm or deny anything. Just live your life post naturally. Stay busy. Fear of loss plus uncertainty creates attraction. 5. She feels she failed to capture your attention. Women enjoy challenge. When you stop chasing, you stop validating her. No validation triggers self-doubt, and self-doubt creates a desire to regain control. Now, the game flips. She starts putting in effort. 6. Your value increases. A man who doesn't chase sends a clear message. His value doesn't depend on one woman. You have purpose. You have direction. You don't attach your happiness to someone else. Women feel this instantly. You're no longer a man seeking approval. You're a man worth Choosing dot 7, the power dynamic shifts. Naturally, relationships aren't races. They're dances. Sometimes you step forward. Sometimes you step back. When you stop chasing, you're not losing, you're creating space. And space reveals who truly wants to stay. Closing, stopping. The chase doesn't mean giving up. It means protecting your self-respect. Love must be mutual, not one-sided effort. And remember this: a woman who is genuinely interested will never leave you walking alone. Halfway down the road. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.